Hey guys, I got my meal squishies and I just ordered a package and the chef gave me an extra. So here is a great cat squishy. That this is the extra. Not really squishy. It's still resealed, but yeah. Looks like that. Oops, pretty cute. And then I got a ton of these like little tiny green man squishy. Let's see. This is the green man. So yeah, it's a green man with a hat. Like that. So this resale I have three only, or four only. And I got this where baby in onion or this is the pitch. I think it's pitch. So yeah, definitely it's pitch. So that's not so bad. Just cell phone strap and a tie. And this is like really squishy. It's for sale. I got a punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this 10. So 10 for sale. So these are all stuff I got. Please PM me for ordering. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.